as a president of the Tamil Nadu Congress Committee, the Periyar proposed a resolution regarding the rights of untouchables to the temples, in the name of the caste dharma, and also known as the lower caste, peoples were denied the access to the temple and the street surrounding the temples areas. They welcome a town of the presidency state of Tiruvangur against this practice. Present day is Kerala. The initial stage of the George Joseph Asia Madurai that played a big roles of this, the untouchables are temples in this, and some other leaders are arrested. The local leaders were arrested. The Periyar imprisoned. The titles are given here: Vaikam Hero or Hero of Vaikams. Next. Seraman Devi Gurukula temples. The Seraman Devi Gurukula, that means a school. The schools run by founded by the Devi Subramanians and is run by the Congress, Tamil Nadu Congress Committee. The fund provided by the Tamil Nadu Congress Committee. But the Periyar is disappointed when they despite his objections and protest against the discriminations. So the Congress continues to support in the Gurukulams. So the two different types of the people studying in these Gurukulam schools. One is the deposit class peoples, another one is the Brahmins dominations. Is a different sections of the food, waters like that. So the Periyar disappointed when despite of his objections and the protest against the discrimination, the changes. So the Congress continued to support to the Gurukulams. The Periyar led to the Gurukula Congress India, Tamil Nadu Congress committees. He started a self-respect movement in 1925. The Periyar understood the relevance of the mass communications in spreading rationality thought. Some of the newspapers Kudiyarasu, that remains a democracy in 1925, and the revolt Purachi, that remains a revolution in 1933. Pagutarivu, that remains the rationalisms, the wrote in 1934, Vidudarais, that means the revolution in 1935, and Kudiyarasu. So he wrote the A.V. Ramasamy Periyar's the ideas and the expressions of newspapers and the journals. One is Kudiyarasu, revolt, Purachi, and Pagutarivu, rationalisms, and Vidudarais. This is called the very important newspapers in journals. The Periyar wrote the columns and the experts-based opinions on the social issues in 8 sections of the papers. Of the issues, the Periyar wrote the columns and the experts of the Chitra Puthiran, the Periyar, the important novels and the columns and the expressed the Chitra Puthirans, like that. The Periyar, the good relationship with the one is Singaravelas and the Ambedkars. The good relationship with the two important persons. One is Singaravelar and one is Ambedkar. The Singaravelar is the first communist of the South India. The Singaravelar, first communist of South India, the pioneers of this, the important leaders of the Buddhism. In 1936, the Ambedkar's the translations of the caste translated into Tamil. Immediately after it was written to in Periyar. So Ambedkar's books written by Ambedkar written by this, the annotations that books, the same books write in Tamil, E.V. Ramasamy Periyar. The supporters of Ambedkar demand the separate elections for the scheduled caste. The Ambedkar support to the separate elections for the scheduled caste. So the Periyar also they support the depressed classes peoples. Next one is the Hindi. So the anti-Hindi agitations conference was held in the Salem. The Rajaji, the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu in 1937, introduced the Hindi is a compulsory subject in schools. Hindi is a compulsory subject in schools, but the Periyar was opposed. The Periyar launched the popular movement, the agitations against the Hindi conference, the opposite age, the anti-Hindi agitation in 1937 and 39, the big impact of the Tamil Nadu political parties. So after that, the Periyar's the imprisoned, the still in the jails. After the Periyar joined in the Justice Party. After that, Periyar joined in the Justice Party. And the Justice Party emerged as a self-respect movement. Justice Party also called the self-respect movement. It was renamed the Dravida Kalagam. The self-respect movement also the rename in the Dravida Kalagam in 1944 in Salem Conference. After that, the Kulakalvi Thittam introduced in 1952 to 1954. The Chief Minister of Rajaji introduced the vocational education programs and encouraged the importing school children. Next one is, so the E.V. Ramasamy Periyar, the Kulakalvi Thittam is a opposite. The Periyar E.V. Ramasamy Periyar, the opposite, because it is a father occupations. The father's occupation. So the Periyar the opposite, and the Rajaji they resigned the chief ministers. The Rajaji, the Chief Minister of Madras State in 1952 to 1954, introduced the vocational education programs that encourage the importing school children with the training in the tune with his father occupation. The Kulakalvi Thittam means a father occupations. The E.V. Ramasamy Periyar, the opposite, that is the caste-based education schemes and oppose tooth and nail. The opposite, the Periyar, the opposite, the tooth and nails. Some of the tooth and nails is campaigns against this led by the resignation of Rajaji. After that, the Rajaji resignation of the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. K. Kamarajan became the Chief Minister of Madras State. Periyar died at the age of 94. Periyar after that died in 94. The K. Kamarajan became the Chief Minister. The statues remains buried by the Periyar Table titles in Madras. So in this topic mainly the important points. the Vaikam hero. The Vaikam hero is located in Kerala, denied the deposed classes peoples, the fight against the A.V. Ramasamy Periyar and Thiruvangur government, relaxation and segregations of this government. So the Periyar is called here Vaikam hero. After that is here Cheraman Devi Gurukulams. So Cheraman Devis, the Cheraman Devi Gurukulams is here discrimination, the caste discriminations found in A.V. Ramasamy Periyar and the opposite and the resignated of this Rajaji, C. Rajaji. Next one is next important Hindi agitation, the Hindi agitation movement in 1937 and 39. The A.V. Ramasamy Periyar and other some important leaders against and opposite in the jails and the impression. After that, A.V. Ramasamy Periyar joined the Justice Party and the emerged as a self-respect movement. After that is a self-respect movement. It was renamed in Dravida Kalagam in 1944. Dravida Kalagam in 1944. Next one is Kulakalvi Thittam. The Kulakalvi Thittam, that means the father occupation, the caste based the occupation. The mainly the Kulakalvi Thittam introduced by the Rajaji, the caste based systems, occupations, the Rajaji and the A.V. Ramasamy Periyar opposite and the resignation of this Rajaji. Then K. Kamarajar became the, after that K. Kamarajar became the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu and Periyar died in 1973 like that. Thank you.